Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk through the workflow for playback and saving CINE files that were just captured in PCC. We'll start with a CINE stored in the camera's RAM, review it using playback tools, make any necessary adjustments, trim the CINE to the frames we need, and then save the shot using the appropriate CINE parameters. Let's get started. We'll begin with a CINE that was just captured and is located in the camera's RAM. Make sure you're in the Play and Save tab and the camera's sub-tab. The most recently recorded CINE is automatically loaded as a track, with one track displayed per camera. When multi-CINE partitions or flash memory are used, additional CINEs can be recalled using the drop-down menu or the remote CINE menu, which shows everything available from the connected device. At this stage, nothing has been written to disk yet, so before saving anything, it's best practice to review what we've captured to ensure the event was recorded correctly. To initiate playback, simply begin scrubbing through the timeline. Scrubbing allows you to quickly move forward and backward through the CINE to confirm motion, timing, and framing. As you review the CINE, check that the action is fully captured, the timing is correct, and the image quality meets your expectations. This quick review step helps avoid saving unnecessary data and can save time and storage later. The playback timeline can be displayed in different formats. You can switch between viewing the timeline in frames or in time. When working with CINEs from multiple cameras, switching to a frame-based display is often helpful. Aligning CINEs by first frame can make comparisons easier when different settings were used, while the Align by Trigger function ensures synchronized playback when images were captured in sync. If any image or color adjustments are needed, those tools are available directly in Playback. These controls work the same way they do on the live side, allowing you to adjust brightness, contrast, or color balance to better visualize the CINE. You can also reference the histogram to monitor overall exposure. These adjustments are for visualization only and do not alter the underlying CINE raw data. Once the capture looks good, the next step is to trim the CINE. High-speed CINE files can become very large due to the number of frames captured, so it's important to save only what's needed. To trim the CINE, set Mark In and Mark Out points. Scrub to the frame where the CINE should begin and set the Mark In point using the left bracket. You can also enter a precise frame number next to the timeline. Then find the frame where the action ends and set the Mark Out point using the right bracket. This defines the region of interest that will be saved. Frames outside of these markers are excluded, reducing the file size and keeping your saved shots efficient. Once the CINE is trimmed, it's time to save. There are two ways to save a CINE in PCC: Quick Save or Save As. Quick Save uses all the settings defined in the Settings, Files, and Naming menu and is ideal when capturing multiple shots with consistent parameters. For this tutorial, we'll use Save As, which gives us full control over file format, naming, and save location. After selecting Save As, we're presented with the CINE save parameters. Here we'll choose to save a CINE raw file. For the format, we'll select 12-bit P12L, which preserves high dynamic range and maximum detail. Next, confirm the save location and file naming convention. PCC provides smart naming options to help maintain consistency across saved files. You can include elements like a timestamp, the camera name with an incrementing counter, or a combination of type text and naming shortcuts. Choose a naming convention that fits your workflow and makes files easy to identify later. We always recommend saving CINE RAW files first. CINE RAW preserves maximum image quality and includes all recording parameters in the metadata, making it ideal for advanced analysis and long-term flexibility. CINE RAW files are required for using the motion analysis tools in the CINE Analyzer module, which can be launched directly from PCC. This makes CINE RAW the foundation of the complete high-speed imaging workflow. Once saved, CINE RAW files can be later converted into additional formats for sharing or reporting, while keeping the original data archived. To summarize, we reviewed a CINE stored in camera RAM, trimmed it using mark-in and mark-out points, selected our save parameters, and saved the CINE file. This workflow ensures efficient storage, consistent file management, and compatibility with advanced analysis tools. You should now be able to confidently capture and save CINE files from your Phantom camera. Our next tutorials will focus on multi-CINE workflows and camera synchronization. Thanks for watching.